Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let us learn some magic today. How to use Magic Wand tool in Adobe Flash or Animate CC. First step, file, import the picture into your library. From there, drag and place it in your work area. That is what I have done. Well, this is the very important thing. Even if you are not interested in animation, this is very helpful for you for any presentations or something. You have a picture but you want only the PNG format. This is called as PNG format. How will you do that? In Photoshop and Illustrator and all, it's tremendous work. Only in Flash this is very easy actually. Some people will not give away this idea, but this is very easy. Just break it apart, okay? Just right click on the picture. I just right click on the picture, I get all these options. So click break apart, just click that. Then go and click the fourth one in the tool. Can you see lasso tool on your left side? Yeah, click that and then come down. Now click the magic wand. Like first you click the lasso tool, and in that there are two options. One is magic wand, the first one, and the next one is magic wand with feathering effect. In this side I'm not giving feathering effect, like it gives that glow kind of a thing which is not required, so I'm not giving that. If you want, you can try it out, okay? So this is a very useful thing. Now next step, what are we supposed to do? Well, now go and click on the white background. I just clicked once. This much of white is gone. Okay, the remaining white also click one by one and then it will vanish. See, I have just clicked wherever white was visible. Now in this it's not visible. It's all separated out. Now let us see whether it is actually separated. It is separated, but on the top two horses are joined together. That means there is some kind of a joining effect in between the tail and the nose of the previous horse. So just take the help of an eraser tool, like it is on the left side. Just erase in between, separate it out, okay? And then convert each into symbol. Just right click and convert each horse into a symbol. It will automatically go into the library as individual horse poses. Now select all and press enter so that you clear the work area. Now whatever bits and pieces are there, let everything go. Since you have converted into symbols, it will all go and stay in your library. Symbol, keep it as graphic, not movie clip, okay? Watch my previous video, how to do it, how to do swapping and then giving create motion tool. I have already explained in 2-3 videos. Please see to that and do it to get the horse walking. Thank you for watching my video. If you like, please share and subscribe.